In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to transfer money from Binance to bank account. In order to do this procedure, first of all, you have to verify your Binance identity. If not, then you'll not be able to proceed on with the steps. So then to begin with, click the logo from the top right hand side, and here scroll out a bit, go to more services and go to withdraw fiat. As you click on withdraw fiat, it's going to take you to the page where you can go ahead and select bank transfer. As you do that, it's going to take you to the page where you'll be asked to provide in the bank information, that is the account number, and then the exact amount that you're transferring, the receiver's name or some sort of description and all that, and confirm the transaction by tapping on the review button. Next page, review all of the information that you've provided. If it seems to be valid enough, then confirm the transaction by tapping on the confirm button, and then you've successfully transferred money from Binance to bank account. So that is how it works. So that's how you can transfer money from Binance to bank account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.